I'm going to be telling you everything you need to know about this pack of fabric markers. You might be wondering right from the start, what more do I need to know besides that they're fabric markers? Well, stay till the end where I tell you one very important tip where if you don't do this, none of your designs will be permanent and they'll all come off. So I'll tell you that at the end. But you have here a 24 pack of fabric markers. So you've got 24 different colors, and within every single marker, you have two sides. You have a fine tip on one end and the brush tip on the other. So with that, 24 markers of 24 colors, you've got two on each one. So you've got 48 tips, 48 different ways to go about designing with this one pack of fabric markers. Now you've got every color in here and then some that you could possibly need for designing. My wife and I, one of the things we love doing is taking our babies' plain white clothing or things that have very minimal designs on them and customizing it and adding more on there, writing names on there, writing little funny things that they do at this age, and it's just a fun way to make it more special. And then when little one wears it more and more often, it just brings back more memories. So let me show you how to go about using this, and then I'm going to tell you that very important tip. The great thing is this can be used on so many different canvases. This can be used everything from making custom sneakers, tote bags. You can use this on denim. You can use it for sewing, school projects, making personalized vacation clothing, or as I mentioned, what I'm doing here with baby clothing. So you can do whatever you want on here. You can put literally anything on here. So when you're doing it, I always recommend having cardboard within it so that it doesn't go through to the next layer. But you can put whatever you want on here. This here is the brush tip, and this is 0.1 to 5 millimeters in thickness, depending on if you're just using the very tip of it or if you are going alongside the whole part of it. And then on the other side, on the fine tip, this is just 1 millimeter. So you've got different thicknesses here. So again, here's the thin, and then here's the brush tip. So you can see you got a different level of thickness there, but you can put whatever you want on here. Easy. I like to go over it a few times. I also, depending if I want to get a little brush stroke on here or whatever I want to do. Now this is just for demonstrations, purposes, but easy to draw on. I don't have great handwriting anyway, but this is just a fun way to be able to draw on, do whatever you want. I don't know. I'm just writing a little one on here, but I'll go back and add some more to it. Got so many different color options. Of course, you got the whole rainbow of colors and then some, and just so many different customizable ways. All right, so now for the moment you've been waiting for. If you don't do this one tip, this will not be permanent and it will wash off. You need to let it completely dry, then use an iron on medium heat, no steam, and iron it for a few minutes. Of course, you always want to keep the iron moving. You can take it off, do it again, put the iron on it with medium heat, no steam, and do that for a minute or two, and that will help the ink to set into the fabric. If you don't do that, once you wash this, it's gone. It's going to wash off, or at least it's going to continue to fade very quickly. So you need to heat set it in order for your design, your drawing, your writing, whatever you do to be permanent. Make sure to do that if you want it to be permanent, whether it be for customizable things that you're doing, family vacation t-shirts, mementos for any occasion. Heat set it, medium heat with an iron after it completely dries, and then it will be a permanent design. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed. Try it out for yourself. This is a great pack. Highly, highly recommend it. Thank you to the brand for providing it for me.